Take a look at this listing. Contact our office to speak with a qualified agent who can help you with any questions you may have. Call 252-946-8021 today. No restrictions and low property taxes on this brick building on approximately 1.36 acres. Perfect space for a small business, residential home, or non-profit clubhouse. Seller used property as a long-term rental. The possibilites are endless. Replacement windows, updated wiring, and fairly new HVAC system. One large open room with basic kitchenette area and washer/dryer hookup, full bath, 2 additional smaller rooms, plus a shed. The portion of the 2 parcels on the west side of the road are offered for sale. The portion of the 2 parcels on the east side of the road are not included. 2 parcels include 5,695, 85, 3,663, 00023E/00212, and 5,695, 85, 3,786, 00023E/00212 less the property shown on survey map, which includes 0.6 acres not included of the 2 parcels. 2 parcels include approximately 1.96 acres less 0.60 acres, which equals approximately 1.36 acres. Only the property on the side of the road that includes the building is included.